Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into what I'm calling the modern accounting playbook. We're going to look at how anyone, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a growing business, can completely transform your relationship with money. Shifting from that yearly tax stress to having a clear, confident path to financial success.
So let me start by asking you a question. And be honest, does it ever feel like managing your finances, all the compliance, the rules, the tax laws, is actually more complicated than running your actual business? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are in very good company.
All right, so here's our game plan for the next few minutes. We're going to walk through 6 key areas. We'll start with the financial labyrinth, then talk about mastering your taxes, modernizing your operations, finding hidden value, building a solid foundation, and finally, what it really means to have a partner for success.
Okay, first up, let's step into what so many people feel is a financial labyrinth. This is all about breaking down those common challenges that can make dealing with money feel so overwhelming.
It doesn't matter if you're an individual or running a huge company. That feeling of being totally swamped by ever-changing tax laws, the daily grind of bookkeeping, and just trying to stay compliant, it's a universal feeling. It's a really complex world out there, and the rules of the game are always shifting under our feet.
So how in the world do we navigate all that? Well, that brings us right to our second section, mastering your tax strategy. This is where we completely flip the script. We're going to talk about how to turn taxes, something that feels like a pure liability, into a real financial advantage. And this is the core of that mindset shift. On one side, you've got the stress, right? The rules are always changing, you're worried you're missing deductions, you're scared of compliance risks. But on the other side, that's the solution. Strategic planning that isn't just about paying what you owe, but about proactively minimizing your liability and maximizing your financial health.
So what does a really comprehensive approach look like in practice? Well, it's the whole shebang. It's handling everything from your personal tax returns to really complex corporate tax planning. It also means digging into specialized areas like GST and HST rebates, and, this is the big one, having that deep, in-depth knowledge to make sure every single credit and deduction you're entitled to is found and used. And here's the proof of what that can do. Michael Adams calls it a game changer. And listen to that keyword he uses, personalized. See, it's not about some cookie-cutter solution. It's about someone taking the time to truly understand your specific situation to get you the best possible outcome. That's huge.
Okay, next up, let's talk about modernizing your operations. Look, in today's world, if you want to stay competitive, you have to embrace technology. And that absolutely 100% includes how you manage your finances. Which brings us to the magic of cloud accounting.
Now, I know moving to the cloud can sound like a huge, scary project, but it really boils down to a clear 4-step process. It all starts with picking the right software, getting it set up properly, then integrating your data so it all just flows, and of course, getting the training and support you need. The payoff? You get secure 24/7 access to your financial data, literally from anywhere in the world.
And this isn't just some theory. Check this out. A real small business made this exact move. They got that constant access to their numbers, which meant they could make smarter decisions way faster. And the bottom line, it wasn't just about being more efficient. They actually cut their costs and boosted their profitability. That's a real-world win.
Okay, now we're getting to one of my favorite parts, Section 4, Unlocking Hidden Value. This is all about going beyond the basics of just balancing the books and actively hunting for financial opportunities that, honestly, you might not even know are out there. Seriously, think about this for a second. Are you leaving money on the table? We're talking about things like massive tax credits just for being innovative, government grants designed specifically to help you grow, and making sure you get every single dollar back that you're owed from GST and HST rebates. These are powerful tools just waiting for you.
So let's zoom in on that first one I mentioned, SR&ED. That stands for Scientific Research and Experimental Development. It's basically a federal tax incentive program that's designed to reward Canadian businesses for innovating. Now, the program itself can be kind of tricky to navigate, but for companies creating new tech or new processes, the rewards can be absolutely substantial.
All right, all of these amazing advanced strategies are fantastic, but they're built on sand if you don't have a solid base. And that brings us to Section 5, the bedrock of everything we've talked about, the foundation of growth. And that foundation is built on accurate bookkeeping and payroll.
Reliable bookkeeping is so much more than just plugging in numbers. It's about creating financial statements that actually tell you the story of your business. It's about planning budgets that act as a roadmap and analyzing your cash flow so you're never caught off guard. Bottom line, it gives you a crystal clear, honest picture of your financial health.
And hey, let's not forget payroll. Trying to manage that yourself is a headache. It's complex, it's time-consuming. Streamlining it with an expert means your team gets paid correctly and on time. All the tax filings are compliant, and it frees you up to focus on what you're actually good at, growing your business. You're basically buying back your time and your peace of mind.
And all of this leads us to our final section,
your partner for success. This is all about the end result. It's about that feeling you get when you know, without a doubt, that you have a dedicated team of experts in your corner fighting for you.
Just listen to what Sarah Thompson has to say. Her business was transformed. She calls out the proactive approach and the attention to detail, and then connects it directly to significant growth. That's what a true partnership looks like. It's not just about getting reports, it's about getting results.
And really, that's what this is all about. The end goal isn't just about filing your taxes on time. It's about having total financial clarity. It's knowing your returns are optimized. And it's about having the unshakable confidence to pour all of your energy into your passion, your work, and your business.
So, I'll just leave you with this one question to mull over. When you look at your own financial world, with all of its challenges and all of its potential, what amazing opportunities could an expert partner help you unlock? Think about it.